Alrighty, hello, welcome back to Ballroom Feed. Today we're going to be discussing what is the East Coast swing, okay? So East Coast swing is in the American rhythm style, which now we use to compete or dance socially, but it was originally bred from what's called the Lindy Hop. And the Arthur Murray franchise actually was the one who originally developed the East Coast swing from the Lindy Hop because they found it easier to teach. The Lindy Hop was a little bit too difficult and not structured enough, so they created the East Coast swing that had more structure and was easier to teach to beginners. So that is kind of the original story of how it happened. And now it is in the American rhythm style, okay? So that being said, it is danced to many different kinds of music. Some pop music works. It also can be danced to country, obviously big band swing, and then as well as rock music too. So it has a wide variety of music that it can be danced to, which is pretty cool. It is in 4/4 timing. However, the basic step is danced within 6 beats, so that often can get misconstrued, but it does go into 8 beats of music, okay? That being said, if you want to learn more about the timing of the music, we do have separate videos on that, so I won't spend too much time there. But the East Coast swing is very rotary, it's very fun, very open, relaxed, and free. It's good to social dance because it's designed very well to be led and followed. It can also be going up to more advanced content into, of course, competitive dancers like professional rhythm. That being said, if you're interested and you want to learn the East Coast swing, we do have it on our website, ballroomfeed.com. We're slowly releasing it here on YouTube, but you can instantly access it there with no ads, and then we do put out the full syllabus, so you get the whole package, including combinations, techniques, the whole deal. So go check it out. That being said, like this video, subscribe for more, and we'll see you guys very soon in the next one. Bye.